No! Oh my god!
Treats? You guys want your treats? Here comes Ziggy. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no.
Jesus Christ, why? Why?
That's rude. You be nice in the morning to your family, okay? No, that is not a nice face. No, bub. It's okay, you don't know him. You don't know him.
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy.
A shortage of poultry.